Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, if you're new to my channel, you're most definitely welcome. You know how we do it. Please do go ahead and subscribe if you haven't. So guys, today I'm coming up to you with this kind of a peachy smoking eye look. I always come up with peachy. I don't know, because maybe I love the shade because excuse that. So guys, if you're interested and want to see how I come up with this look, you already know what to do. Just stick around and bear in mind at the beginning of this video, music was playing in the background. I just want to keep the video a little bit lively, not too boring. I really want to focus on the eye and the lip color. So yeah, without any further ado, like I said, don't forget to do what makes you happy. Stay pretty and stay blessed. I'm going to see you all in my next video. Take care, love you, ciao. Mwah.
I've been up for 3 nights. My eyes are bloodshot red. Damn, I wanna see the sunshine. It's getting to my head. One look in the mirror, don't like what I find. I know that somewhere in there there's a good guy, but he runs away at midnight. I'm sorry that I stole your car. Ain't got those tattoos on my arms that don't mean shit to me. Maybe you should pull the alarm, so I don't take it way too far. Die before I'm 23. I'm sorry, Mom. I'm sorry, Mom. I'm sorry, Mom. are perfect and I wish I were the same. Making bad decisions, it should be my middle name. I love playing with fire, it's my favorite. Watch it burn my whole house down, not feel a thing. One look in the mirror, don't like what I find. I know that somewhere in there there's a good guy, but he runs away at midnight. I'm sorry that I stole your car. Ain't got those tattoos on my arms that don't mean shit to me. Maybe you should pull the alarm, so I don't take it way too far. Die before I'm 23. I'm sorry, Mom. I'm sorry, Mom. I'm sorry, Mom.
This is what happens when
So guys, my brow is pretty much done. I'm going to set it later after I finish my eye look. I'm just going to be taking the rest concealer. I'm just going to apply a little bit on my eyelid as my eyeshadow base. So for the first palette, I'm going to be taking the Huda Beauty Berry Obsession palette right here, this burgundy. I'm just going to pack that all over my crease, and then at the same time I'm blending. Focus on my outer corner. Smaller brush. I'm taking this Bell brush and I'm taking this beautiful chocolate shade right here, this one. I'm going to pack that as well on my crease, exactly here. I'm going to make the same shape I make with the burgundy color before. I'm going to be taking this shade and I'm going to apply that as my brow bone highlight. Brush, I'm just going to blend the brow bone together with my edges right here. I'm just going to be taking this small round brush to cut my crease. This beautiful shade. I'm going to be taking the gesture brush. I'm just going to line my waterline first. I'm going to apply that under my eye. So to blush my cheeks, I'm going to be taking this MAC Gleeful Mineralze blush. To be taking this highlight right. All the excess powder away so we can have a dewy, glowy, flawless face. Okay, it's like it's fading out the shade, so I'm going to go in and dip in my brush once again just to apply that. I'm going to go ahead and apply my mascara. Be careful, girl. I'm going to be taking these lashes right here. My lashes is getting tacky. I'm going to set my eyebrow with the Alverde brow gel. Girl, can't you talk? All over the place with this look. This look is just giving me life. Lining my lips, taking the Alverde lip liner. For lipstick, I'm going to be taking this MAC lipstick, and this one is in Enchanted one. With this elf lip gloss, and this one is in champagne glam. We are done with this look. I'm obsessed with this look, like 2 for 7. I'm super obsessed.
Been up for 3 nights. My eyes are bloodshot red. Damn, I wanna see the sunshine. It's getting to my head. One look in the mirror, don't like what I find. I know that somewhere